Hello student, once again I welcome you all in the online class of General Knowledge. Today we will study Unit 5, The World of Science, Chapter number 24, Human Digestive System. There are various organs inside our body which help together to digest our food which we eat. Okay? These organs form together a system that is known as digestive system. Today we will know one by one about these digestive system. First one is mouth. Second one, saliva. As we all know that digestion starts from mouth. Third one, esophagus. Fourth one, intestine. Here it will be small intestine. Two types of intestine are there. Fifth one, liver and pancreas. Sixth one, large intestine. And seven will be anus. Okay. Here it will be small intestine. Okay. So now all of you open page number 28. See, the process of digestion begins in the mouth. Spelling is M-O-U-T-H. The mouth is the beginning of the digestive tract. In fact, digestion starts here as soon as we take the first bite of a meal. Okay? Chewing breaks the food into pieces that are more easily digested. Okay? Second thing which help us in digestion is saliva. As we chew the food, the saliva, S-A-L-I-V-A, in our mouth mixes with the food. It mixes with food to begin the process of breaking it down into a form our body can absorb and use. Okay. Saliva is 98% water, so it moistens the mouth and helps compact means dense food into softened particles for easier swallowing. Food passes from the mouth to the stomach through the food pipe, also called the esophagus, means the food pipe which passes food from the mouth to the stomach is called food pipe and also esophagus. Okay. It connects our mouth to our stomach. When we swallow food, the walls of the esophagus squeeze together. This moves the food down the esophagus to the stomach. Okay. Next organ which help in our digestion is intestine. Intestines are two types, small intestine and next one is large intestine. Okay. From the stomach, the food passes to the small intestine. Okay. The small intestine carries out most of the digestive process, absorbing almost all of the nutrients we get from foods into our bloodstream. Okay, means the work of small intestine is to take or get all the nutrients from the food which we get or eat. Next organ which help in our digestion are liver and pancreas. Spelling of liver: L-I-V-E-R, liver, and pancreas, P-A-N-C-R-E-A-S-E. Okay. Produce juices that help in digestion. Our liver continuously produces bile. This is a chemical that helps turn fats into energy that our body uses. Bile is necessary for the digestive process. Okay. Next organ. During digestion, our pancreas makes pancreatic juices called enzymes. These enzymes break down sugars, fats, and starches. Okay. Our pancreas also helps our digestive system by making hormones. Next organ which help in our digestion is large intestine. Okay. The undigested food passes into the large intestine. The job of our large intestine is to absorb water, minerals, and some of the remaining nutrients from our food. It will change the leftover waste into bowel movement. Okay. Last part of our digestive system is anus. Spelling is A-N-U-S. The semi-solid waste passes out of the body through the anus. Okay. So students, today we learned different parts of the body which help us in digestion. Okay. Revise the chapter carefully. Thank you. God bless you all.